Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. As always, I'm posting this video on Saturday so you can start working on Module 3 a couple of days early if you so choose. Now remember, if you haven't finished the Module 2 review questions, those are due by Sunday and today, and that Sunday is April 16th. So don't forget about that. But otherwise, we're going to jump into Chapter 3. I think it's a lot of fun. Chapter 3, we're talking about, of course, confidentiality and some key terms in regards to that. There's a lot of really cool things in the video, and I think you're going to get a lot out of it. So I also, of course, want you to read the text. So when you read the text, you're going to find a lot of great information there. So the chapter 3 in your textbook. So chapter 3 from the Constitution to the courtroom. And when you read that, you're going to see a lot of things that we talked about in the chapter 2 module as well. But also, you're going to think about this from the perspective of healthcare. Why is the legal system important for healthcare professionals? And then why and how do we protect ourselves in terms of making sure that patients have the right to privacy, and also that we, of course, are not blamed for things that we cannot control. But from the perspective of the chapter, I think you're going to enjoy it. You're going to learn about the statute of limitations. Make sure you look into that. There's some cool things in regards to when, of course, you could sue someone um, civilly. You know, there's some statutes there. So, of course, if it happened past the statute of limitations, you can't go back in time. But there's some crimes, of course, that don't have any statutory length periods. So take a look at that. Module 3 review questions are due as always. And I wanted to point out one other thing to you really quick, and I know this is a longer check-in, but I think this is important. So there's a video here that said start legal research early. Make sure you watch that. I want you to start looking at your legal research part of the course. It is a large part of your grade. It's going to be a video and a paper that you're going to do in APA format. I'm going to walk you through that, not in this video, but I want you to start taking a look at it because it's really important. It's going to be due about, I would say about halfway in the semester. You'll have to look at course content to double check, and I don't have the date right off the top of my head, but I want you to take a look at this. Make sure you research what APA is. Go ahead and think about a topic. The topic has to be healthcare related, but you can write about anything in healthcare. It's going to be really fun, I think really interesting for you, and we'll talk more about that in the upcoming weeks. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for all you're doing. I look forward to looking at Module 3 with all of you.